the most important lessons for a guitarist. One of the lessons I wish I knew before starting to play jazz. Scale arpeggios, an alphabetical succession of notes having definite relationship with the starting note or a key note, also known as the root, is a scale. And when notes of a scale are played one after the other, we have arpeggios. Yes, but the special emphasis is not on arpeggios or scales, but on scale arpeggios. If you want to play, especially jazz, you need this. When we talk about scale arpeggios, it is not scales, neither arpeggios, but a combination of scales and arpeggios that can be used readily. When we are considering a C major 7 chord, or a major 7 chord in general, as you move from the nut to the bridge of the guitar, you are likely to come across 5 shapes of this chord. You know this chord, or this. This is the first shape of a C I would want you to learn. The first shape of a C major 7th. This. The second shape is like A minor 7th. This can also be used in place of a major 7th, yes, because that is the relative minor. So this is the second shape. The third shape is a C major 7th at the 8th fret position. And the fourth and the last one, you can have the same thing. So these are the 5 basic major scale shapes as you move from the nut to the bridge. Irrespective of what major scale shape you play, when you run these scale arpeggios, they will fit perfectly. So please learn this for me. When you are here, this is the very first shape you should learn. On the same A minor here, or C major 7th, I can get, this is the second shape you need to learn. So anytime I'm on A minor or on C major 7th, I can play. We have another shape here, the third shape. If you are here, but I would prefer this rather. Re, do, ti, la, so, mi. Instead of, I'll not play the re. Mi, do, ti, so, mi, do, ti. And the fourth, that is simple. And the last one in this shape, or this one is very similar to the pentatonic scale. You know this pentatonic scale. But you just, instead of the do, la, sol, play do, la, fa, mi. Yes, when you are thinking in, let's say, in J. But fingering is very important in this exercise. I'm not going to teach you fingering now. I'll be coming with part 2 of the scale arpeggios and teach you which fingers to use and how to use them. This is very important for most especially those who would want to play horizontally across the neck. It's very, very important. But in the meantime, I will really appreciate it if you will learn these notes as they are. So let's go over what we've done. My name is Pastor Georgespratz, also known as Spratz. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, please do subscribe to Georgespratz and click on the notification bell so in case we upload any new video, you don't miss it, you get it straight away. In case you are looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson, hey, I'm going to leave my contact or information in the description below. And let's have a one-on-one guitar class. Anywhere you are, it's possible. See you and soon. Bye-bye.